Mastering business rules engines. Only a select few can harness the true power of business rules engines. Who within an organization can explain the concept of a business rules engine, BRE, and differentiate it from traditional programming approaches, particularly in the context of operational excellence, where the ability to externalize and manage complex business logic is crucial for achieving optimal efficiency and effectiveness. In the realm of operational excellence, a business rules engine, BRE, is a vital component that enables organizations to externalize and manage complex business logic, thereby achieving optimal efficiency and effectiveness. A BRE is a software system that executes, maintains, and manages the rules that govern an organization's decision-making processes. Traditionally, business logic was embedded within application code, making it difficult to maintain, update, and scale. This approach led to rigid, inflexible systems that struggled to keep pace with changing business requirements. In contrast, a BRE provides a centralized repository for business rules, allowing organizations to externalize, manage, and update rules independently of the application code. At its core, a BRE is designed to separate business logic from application logic, enabling organizations to adjust to changing business requirements with greater agility. This is particularly crucial in the context of operational excellence, where the ability to respond swiftly to changing market conditions, regulations, and customer needs is paramount. The key differentiators between a BRE and traditional programming approaches are: 1. Decoupling of business logic. A BRE externalizes business logic from application code, enabling independent management and updates of rules without requiring significant IT involvement. 2. Centralized rule management. A BRE provides a single, unified repository for all business rules, making it easier to manage, maintain, and update rules across the organization. 3. Declarative approach. A BRE uses a declarative approach, where rules are defined in a natural language, rather than procedural code. This makes it easier for business stakeholders to understand, create, and maintain rules. 4. Rules-based modeling. A BRE supports rules-based modeling, which enables organizations to model complex business logic using decision tables, decision trees, and other visual representations. 5. Real-time execution. A BRE executes rules in real time, enabling organizations to respond swiftly to changing business conditions and customer interactions. The benefits of a BRE in the context of operational excellence are multifaceted. 1. Improved agility. A BRE enables organizations to respond quickly to changing business requirements, improving their ability to adapt to changing market conditions. 2. Enhanced transparency. A BRE provides a clear, transparent view of business rules, enabling organizations to better understand their operations and make informed decisions. 3. Increased efficiency. A BRE automates business rules, reducing manual errors, and improving overall efficiency and effectiveness. 4. Better decision-making. A BRE enables organizations to make better, data-driven decisions, based on real-time insights and analytics. In conclusion, a business rules engine is a critical component of operational excellence, enabling organizations to externalize and manage complex business logic, achieve optimal efficiency and effectiveness, and respond swiftly to changing business requirements. By decoupling business logic from application code, a BRE provides a centralized, declarative approach to managing rules, which is essential for achieving operational excellence in today's fast-paced, competitive business environments.